decided I'm gonna be vlogging for October. So I just figured today's the 1st. Hopefully I can edit this video and put it up. Yeah, I'm in the process of getting lunch together. I'm about to record it. Maddie's sitting here looking all sorts of cute. Maddie, say good morning. Oh, you're so stinky cute.
Yeah.
They don't seem happy at all. It's not like they're the one that have to go drive them to school or record this video. Anyways, let me go finish up what I'm doing. Let me show you guys what they're having today. They're having turkey wrap. So it's just that. Their smoothie, a fruit pouch, pretzel, their snack, their water. So yeah, people, somewhere along the line I lost myself. Who goes upstairs and get dressed, like legit get dressed in pajamas? I just want to be a bum today. I want to be a bum today, and life won't let me be a bum because I put bra on and then the bra decides that it wants to show in the back, so I had to put on a jeans jacket. So now it makes me look like I was legit trying to look like a bum, but a cute bum. But anyways, I don't know what I was saying. What's up? What time is it, guys? 7:11. It's 7:13. I have to leave here at 7. My stomach is in a knot. I'm having anxiety. I'm having a panic attack. I don't know why. It's like if I was supposed to, like, I'm in a routine, take the kids to school, come back. Anything outside of that, oh, anything outside of that gives me anxiety. These flies get on my dang nerves. They get on my nerves. So yeah, like I'm saying, anything outside of that gives me panic attack. That simply means I have to be in my car longer than I intend to be. Dealing with new people. Oh gosh, different personalities, all of that. People, different strangers that I might run into. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. I'm gonna go, people. Say good morning, guys.
Sing it, Mommy.
What's the matter?
Mommy, sing it.
You wanna come down?
Sing it.
Ready? Go. Jump. Jump. Guys, I need gas. I need gas, and I'm so lazy to stop because I don't want to stop to put gas, but I have to stop and put gas. I need to get my life together. I really do. No.
We're gonna make it.
Yeah, we're gonna make it. I just need to put gas.
I can hear the silence as I'm walking by. Everyone's so quiet. I know the reason why. I'm not gonna hide it. I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it. What you got yourself into. What you got yourself into.
So guys, I literally didn't pick up back the camera since this morning. Hubby's home. Say hi, babe.
Hey.
First vlog in over like 3 weeks, and I told them that I'm gonna be vlogging for Vlogtober. No.
Vlogtober, you
Is
said
it Vlogtober? Yeah, Vlogtober. Yeah, because it's October. Vlogtober, yeah. Say hi, baby. So I'm making curry chicken because you know that's all we eat is chicken. Making curry chicken and rice. The kids did their homework and their chores. Destiny was the last one. She was late. The boys did the dishes, and I got burnt by hot oil. If you guys can see right there, I got burnt by hot oil. And this baby over here, I don't know, guys, tell me. Madison wants to still breastfeed, but I'm just like over it. I'm over it. She's become a very hard sucker. Like she sucks really, or suckle or whatever. She nursed really hard, and I'm just like, no honey, no, you're not tearing my body up. No. So I want to wean her now, but at the same time I kind of feel like the baby stage is like coming to an end, and I feel like I'm going to miss that, you know. I feel it, right honey?
Sure.
The bonding.
Oh yeah.
You're not gonna miss that, you know? No? You don't have anybody nursing off your breasts? No? But yeah, so I don't know what to do when it comes to breastfeeding. I feel like I should wean her, but at the same time, don't mind my eyebrows, they're looking suspect. Move the hair a little bit over. If your eyebrows cut off right around here, you're a suspect. Look at his face. Don't be acting shy for the camera, Rob, because you know you're not shy.
Look, Daddy.
So yeah, this is not gonna be a long vlog or anything because I just feel like I just wanted to let you guys know that I am vlogging, and yeah. While I have you guys, I'll answer a few.
You know where that little cup Maddie drank out of with apple juice?
This is my favorite little girl. I love her so much.
Yeah, I know.
She's so pretty. Look at that little face. Can you imagine that face as a baby? Oh, oh my gosh, she was so precious as a baby.
You know what that bell thingy, that little apple juice thingy is?
I don't know what you're talking about. So I'm making curry chicken, and yeah, I got curry chicken going, and then I have my rice here, and that's going, and then my cleaning product that I had to clean my stove before I started cooking, because when my kids clean, they don't clean the appliances like I wanted to, so I have to do that. Who left the milk out? Someone left the milk out.
I'm using it.
What are you using milk for? Is this a gallon of milk I bought the other day?
Okay, so
Why is the TV so loud?
I don't know.
But anyways, guys, it's gonna be a short video because I like I told you guys, I've become really bad at vlogging, and I really don't know why. And I'm nosy. I'm really nosy. I'm looking out at our neighbor. Really nosy. Yeah, I've become really horrible at vlogging, and it's because I just don't care anymore. I don't care to share. What else? I just don't care, because I realized that. No, I'm not gonna vlog your room. What I've realized, hold on, it's dark. Lock the gate. Go downstairs. Why are you coming up here? Anyways, like I was saying, I just don't care to share my life anymore. It's just plain and simple. People can be mean on the internet, and it's just like, I'm just like, well, you know. And then when you suffer from anxiety and depression and D.I.D, which is dissociative identity disorder, which I've never shared with you guys, it's kind of like you're opening up yourself to negativity that you really don't need. Well, I don't need in my life, but at the same time, it's something that I enjoy doing. I used to enjoy doing, but along with that came the negativity, and a lot of it is stemmed from I say a majority of it stems from, you know, just okay, majority of it stems from unnecessary drama on YouTube and stuff like that, but I won't even get into that, you know what I mean. It's what it is. You know, a lot of people think, oh, you copy this person, that person, and it's like everybody copies each other on YouTube. But at the end of the day, what you see on camera for me is who I am. You know what I mean? You can only be you because everybody else is taken. It's so true. But yeah, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. A lot of questions I get asked is it hard raising kids when you suffer from mental illness? And the answer to that is yes and no. For me, I have a very supportive husband. I have a very supportive husband, and he picks up where I I wouldn't say he picks up where I leave off, because that's not really the case, but he's there for what the areas in which I am weak, he is strong, and the areas in which he's weak, I'm strong. So we make a great team. Yeah, it's not really too hard. I mean, just a normal person, you know what I mean? You will never see my other personalities. You know, I'm co-conscious with a few of them, but for the most part, it has nothing to do with just regular life, if that makes sense. My personalities have to do with trauma and all that. That's the only time they will take over, is if I am not safe, or I feel uncomfortable, or I'm put in a situation where I don't feel safe. That's the only time they will take over, or if I'm triggered. Anyways, with that said, I am already 9 minutes in, so I'm gonna go, and I will see you guys. I will try to vlog tomorrow, like actually vlog. I can't promise you anything, but I will try. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys a picture that someone drew of me and Marcelo at a party, and it's like so cute. So here's the picture that she drew, and it just says Romeo and Juliet. It's so cute. Why you guys in my room? Why are you begging, Maddie? Mommy, stop begging. Mommy. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go, and I will catch you guys later. Bye, guys.